Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the molecular formula. The species is C₂H₃ with a positive charge, so it is C₂H3+. Moving on to the next step. Analyze the hybridization clues given. The positively charged carbon is sp hybridized and the uncharged carbon is sp² hybridized. An empty p orbital is perpendicular to the pi system. Moving on to the next step. Build the structure. An sp hybridized carbon forms 2 sigma bonds and has 2 p orbitals available for pi bonding. An sp² hybridized carbon forms 3 sigma bonds and has 1 p orbital. For C₂H3+, the sp² carbon bears 2 hydrogens, accounting for 2 H, and 1 sigma bond to the sp carbon. The sp carbon bears 1 hydrogen, accounting for the third H, and has 1 p orbital forming a pi bond with the sp² carbon and 1 empty p orbital perpendicular to that pi system. And for the final step. This gives the structure H2C is equal to C plus H, i.e., a vinyl cation. In the vinyl cation, ethynyl cation, 1 carbon is sp², the is equal to CH2 end, and the positively charged carbon is sp hybridized, the is equal to C plus H end, with an empty sp hybridized orbital, or equivalently an empty p orbital perpendicular to the pi bond, on the charged carbon. Evaluate other options. Allynyl cation would be C3 based. Alkyl cation, sp3, does not match. Allyl cation involves sp² carbons with resonance delocalization and is C₃H5+. None of these match C₂H3+ with the described hybridization pattern. The description matches the vinyl cation, ethynyl cation, option A. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.